Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, I'm going to review the Wishcare Advanced Night Repair Cream. The price of this product is $5.99 for 50 grams of quantity. This product comes in an outer cardboard box like this, and the inner packaging looks like this. It comes in this plastic tub, and this tub packaging is quite sturdy. It comes with a stopper inside it, which is airtight, so it preserves the quality of the product. The texture of this cream is very thick, and it is a very thick heavy cream because it's a night cream and it's like a nighttime repair cream, so it's very heavy in texture and consistency. This is a complete ingredient list of this cream. Some of the key ingredients of this product are retinol, hyaluronic acid, rosehip oil and jojoba oil. Because it contains all of these rich moisturizing ingredients, it makes the texture of this cream very thick. And this cream is also free from any kind of silicones and mineral oil and parabens. Let's see what are the claims they have made about this product. They say it is a nourishing daily night cream packed with pure retinol and natural extracts that boost collagen production, keeping your skin young and firm. This cream helps get rid of acne and acne marks along with pore size on your face. So these were the claims that they have made about this product. Now I'll quickly share my overall review for this product. Now I specifically got this cream for the winter because it is a nice thick cream, and it contains retinol as well. So in case you are using this cream actively in your nighttime routine, I would recommend you to use sunscreen during the day because you'll be using retinol. Now they have mentioned that it contains retinol, hyaluronic acid, but the percentage of retinol is not mentioned, so it's most probably in very less quantity and minor traces maybe. Now retinol has multiple benefits. It's not only an anti-aging ingredient, but it is also known to work on acne and acne marks and scars. Now I've been using it for almost a month. I got it long back and I was actively using this cream for the winter. I didn't notice any reduction in acne mark as such, but it definitely is a good thick moisturizer. It works for the winter. In spite of its thick texture, it doesn't make the skin oily or greasy. My skin is oily, acne prone, but it doesn't make the skin greasy or too oily after using this cream. But as a night cream, this is a very nice moisturizer. The only thing is it does contain a very strong fragrance, but apart from that, it's a good product, non-oily, non-greasy, doesn't make you sweat also too much, but it does contain a strong fragrance. That's the only thing. Apart from that, it's a good product. It works well for as a moisturizer. Since they have added retinol, hyaluronic acid, hyaluronic acid does give that, added benefit like proper moisturization. I think it's a good product if you want to get this and try this product for the winter. If you want a very thick moisturizing cream for the winter which will not make the skin greasy, then it's a good product. So that is all from my overall review of the Wishcare Advanced Repair Night Cream. I hope you found this review to be useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed for more such skincare reviews, and you'll find a lot of these videos from the description box below. And that is all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.